Bafana City won. Boy, how do you feel about the game on Saturday? Yeah. Yeah. Idlala kanjani? Yeah. 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 So ufuna nidlale kanjani namhlanje? Wow. Yeah, which is yeah. Yeah. Kube mnandi. Yeah. So usizwa kanjani nje akwazi ukuya ngiyamthanda lo. How do you feel about something? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. 90 minutes. Yeah. On beat. And then go back and finish up. No, that's not. Oh, I still go to the Buya point. Next time, maybe Zalaman, this was great. Maybe the Buya, let's try to just change the